Hi, my name is Aik Keong, and I want to share with you more about how you can invest into Bitcoin safely. So one of the most common questions that some of my friends do ask me when they want to start investing into Bitcoin is how to invest Bitcoin safely in a way. I mean, all investments carry a form of risk, but they always feel that cryptocurrency does carry a lot more risk. So here are my top 3 that I always share with them. First is to find a very good reputable exchange that you can actually buy using your Sing dollars that you can transfer in. And one of the exchange that I do recommend is Tokenize. They are a registered company in Singapore, and the founder is also a Singaporean as well. So already the confidence level is there. I've been using Tokenize for almost 4 years already, and they have never failed me. Second is to make sure that you never share passwords, or if you possible, have a different email and password just purely for crypto, in the sense that this is dedicated for crypto stuff only. Next, on the platform itself, on Tokenize, do set up your secondary authentication, or what they call it, the 2FA, and always have this on your phone, such that if your account is being compromised, you can actually prevent people from so-called logging in, because they need your secondary authentication, the 2FA code, before they can log in, or even withdraw your coins out of the exchange itself. And last of all, if you want to be truly secure, we put coins on the other exchange, you may have to run the risk of the exchange falling. If you want to be truly secure, you can withdraw those coins out and put it on a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is kind of like an encryption key, and these are highly encrypted, and probably no one in the world has actually broken that encryption to date. So that's it for the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, how to invest into Bitcoin safely. Do share, the like button, and let me know what other topics that you want me to share about, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.